Hello guys, welcome to another video on Cassy World YouTube channel. In today's video, we are going to learn about 11 frequently asked questions concerning cryptocurrency. If you are still struggling to make money or you are just a beginner at making money online, make sure you join my free webinar as I give you the step-by-step guide to get started and make consistent passive income online. The link to join this free webinar is in the description box below. Click on it to join for free. And a quick advice, make sure you watch this video to the end to get the most value out of it. Let's start with today's video without wasting too much of your time. In the past few years, cryptocurrency has grown by leaps and bounds, and it's safe to say that it's now one of the most talked about things. People of all ages and backgrounds want to know more about how the markets for digital currencies work. You will probably have a lot of questions too. Here are the answers to some of the most asked questions. 1. What are cryptocurrencies and how do they work? The answer is cryptocurrencies are digital currencies that can't be seen or touched but still have a value. Blockchain technology backs them up. Instead of relying on a central authority like a bank to keep track of transactions, blockchain technology uses a network of computers. 2. Is there a difference between blockchain and cryptocurrency? No is the answer. Blockchain is the tech that makes it possible for cryptocurrencies to work. 3. What are the options for purchasing Bitcoin? The easiest way to buy Bitcoin is through a crypto exchange. The process is easy and similar to buying and selling stocks. To get started, you must first make an account on the crypto exchange and fill out your personal information. 4. Could taxes be put on Bitcoin transactions? There is no clear answer about the tax because there are no rules or laws about crypto, and the reserve banks have not recognized crypto as legal currency. The money from selling Bitcoins can be taxed as company income or as capital gains. 5. How can cryptocurrency be turned into cash? On crypto exchanges, you can sell what you own and turn the digital currency into cash. You only have to make sure you meet all of the KYC requirements. 6. Do you have to trade at a certain time? Well, the answer is most crypto exchanges let you trade 24 hours a day, 7 days a week, since there is no central authority. 7. Which digital currencies are the most used? They are Bitcoin, Ethereum, XRP, Tether, and Litecoin make up about 80% of the cryptocurrency markets. CoinMarketCap says that there are more than 15,500 cryptocurrencies in use right now. 8. How likely is it that someone will hack your account? Since it's a digital currency, it can be used to commit fraud or be hacked. Anyone can set up an exchange for cryptocurrencies and start selling coins. Before you put money into cryptocurrency, you should do a lot of research. 9. Can you use cryptocurrency to make online purchases? Yes, in many places, you can buy things online with cryptocurrency. 10. Is it possible to trade one cryptocurrency for another? You can turn any digital currency into tokens, which can then be used to buy another digital currency, thanks to crypto exchanges. 11. What makes the price of cryptocurrencies change? Here it is. It works a lot like the stock market. The price of cryptocurrency is affected by demand and supply, competition, and changes in the news. It's also very dangerous, by the way. Thanks for watching my video to this end. I hope you apply the tips in this video, but you must take action to get results. And the secret to generating income online is in my free webinar. Make sure you join to learn all the techniques the gurus use to make consistent passive income online. It's available worldwide and beginner friendly. Just click on the link below this video in the description to join the webinar and learn these secret tricks. And don't forget to like this video, leave below all your feedback and suggestions. And if you are new to this channel, don't also forget to subscribe and turn on the notification bell to receive alerts anytime I drop one of my awesome videos. Make sure you watch the other videos on your screen right now. See you in the next video.